Hi, this is Manjunatha, Managing Director of Emmvee Group. From my childhood onwards, I used to concentrate more on the something to do on the business side or entrepreneurial life. So as soon as I completed my graduation, I started my glass and plywood trading business in 1990. Then 92, when we are having a cup of coffee with all my friends, one of friend has said that solar cookers are coming into the market. Why can't we do a trading of that business? Then I said, no, why we want to think on the trading of that business? Why can't we think of doing a manufacturing by ourselves? Also, back of my mind, always I wanted to have something to be start manufacturing to give employment to the society and something to provide to the society. Doing that journey, I found out solar water heater is the product which is definitely needed to the especially southern part of India, where the people used to have the hot water bath in the morning, where there is no power, because those days in 90s it is always is a power cuts in southern part. Power is huge demand, so the people could not able to have the hot water bath with the properly. Then I thought that is the good product. That is how I started my manufacturing in the solar water heater with just 8 people of the team. We have started the manufacturing and moved towards the journey.